Hey, everybody. How's it going? Repeat after me. Crash, crush, crash, crush, crash, crush, crash, crush, crash, crush. Okay, so these are two words sometimes my students have trouble pronouncing. Repeat after me. Crash. So crash with an a sound. To crash is when two things hit each other. For example, the man on the scooter crashed into the wall. I see some very irresponsible scooter drivers here in Miami. You must be careful, okay? Promise? All right, to crush. Crush means to destroy or win decisively. So you could say, my baseball team crushed our opponents, or I studied hard and crushed the English test. And when we say a crush as in a noun, this means something completely different. If you have a crush on someone, that means you like them. For example, I have a crush on the woman in my math class. Okay, you have a crush on somebody. So crush, it's a little complicated. You like them a little. You're not in love, but you have a crush on them. You like them. Maybe you're looking at them across the room and they don't know yet. Or maybe they know. Which brings us to today's topic, celebrity crush. Repeat after me. Celebrity crush. So a celebrity crush is a famous person you have a crush on. And of course, the celebrity usually doesn't know. But that's what we're going to talk about when I present to you this. Wella Color Charm T05 Pale Rose Blonde. So we're going to talk all about celebrity crushes as I bleach my hair out and then use this toner. So now it is time for me to put on an ugly shirt, take off my ring, put on my gloves, and time to bleach and preach. Can I get an amen up in here? Bleach and preach. All right, guys, it's time to bleach and preach. So I've got about 30 minutes to kill. So I put together a little list. Yes, a list of the top celebrity crushes of this century. I did it with help from Vivian. Vivian's my chat GPT. I say, Vivian, who are the biggest celebrity crushes of this century? And this is what we came up with. At number 10, we have Zendaya, the very beautiful actress Zendaya. At number 9, we have Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, followed by number 8, Rihanna. Both understandable. At number 7, woman of the moment, Sydney Sweeney, followed by number 6, Pedro Pascal. Number 5, of Transformers fame, it was Megan Fox. Number 4 is Captain America himself, Chris Evans, followed by number 3, Aquaman Jason Momoa. Number 2, Michael B. Jordan. Can't argue with that. And number 1, the biggest celebrity crush of people this century is Scarlett Johansson. Well, if you don't agree, you have to fight with ChatGPT. Just say, Vivian, I don't agree. But those are the celebrity crushes. Teacher, who's your celebrity crush? Well, I'm glad you asked because I'm about to tell you. So, I would say growing up, my big celebrity crush was Simon Le Bon. Yes. Young people are like, who's Simon Le Bon? Well, in the land before time, when dinosaurs ruled the earth, before BTS or One Direction, or even NSYNC, there was something called Duran Duran. Okay, young people, listen up. In the 80s, there was a synth pop group called Duran Duran. I would say that most people had a crush on John Taylor. I liked Simon. Simon was my celebrity crush. I was hungry like the wolf. Rawr! Or I guess wolves go, oh, not rawr. But anyway. Simon Le Bon. And I was like, Simon, we could be something. And he's like, no. I'm just going off to marry some supermodel called Yasmin Le Bon, who's been on 300 magazine covers. You know how it goes. So I moved on from Simon, but I still rock to Is There Something We Should Know? Or Is There Something I Should Know by Duran Duran. That's my favorite song right now. Um, I would say more recent times, I like Pitbull. Yeah, Pitbull, as in the musician from here in Miami, Mr. 305. Whenever I see Pitbull on the street, I'm like, hey, Mr. Worldwide, I got a passport you can stamp. Ow! Yeah, so Pitbull, that's another celebrity crush. Number 3, Idris Elba. Yeah, Beyonce's husband in Obsessed. Obsessed was this classic movie with incredible acting that almost won about 50 Oscars, but they said no Oscars. That's not fair to Meryl Streep. So, um, yeah, Idris Elba. Watch Obsessed. You've got Idris Elba. You got Beyonce. You got lots of cat fighting. It's a camp classic. It's not a good movie. It's kind of like so bad it's good kind of movie, but I still love it. It's like a comfort movie. All right, everybody. It's been about 30 minutes, so I'm gonna wash out this bleach with lukewarm water, and we're going to put Wella T05 Pale Rose Blonde. Here we go. It's in this little bottle. I'm going to put it in my hair with some 20 volume developer and see what we get. I don't know how pink this is going to be. Is it going to be a fuchsia fantasy or a hot pink disaster? I guess we'll know in a few minutes, so stay tuned. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the finished results of Wella T05 Pale Rose Blonde. I would say it's not like pink. It's just like a silvery ash blonde with a little pinkish hue, a pinkish tint to it. If you could see here. And speaking of Duran Duran, I look like almost the 6th member of Duran Duran with my silvery pinkish blonde mullet. Have a look. That's right. Serious up front, party in the back, ladies and gentlemen. I would describe this color as kind of Princess Peach waiting for Mario in Bowser's castle. Yeah, that'll do it. That'll do it. So, let's recap the English lesson from today just one last time. Repeat after me. Crash. Crush. Crash. Crush. Remember it this way. Don't crash into your crush. Again, don't crash into your crush. Don't crash into your crush. If you crash into your crush, guess what? Your crush probably won't like you. Unless that's part of your strategy. You want to get their attention by crashing into them. Just don't injure your crush. That's not a good way to start a relationship. I can guarantee it. Anyway, don't crash into your crush. Right below, who in the comments is your celebrity crush? I need to know this information. This will be on your final exam, okay? Anyway, this has been Charles with Bleach and Preach for Who's the Teacher. I hope to see you next time. Crash or crush? You tell me. Bye.